What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Welcome back to the channel. If you are a returning subscriber and if you are new here, welcome. I hope I do not sound too hollow. If you watched my last video, congratulations, you a real one. If you didn't watch my last video, stop what you're doing and go watch my last video of my apartment tour. I am saying all this to say I'm so sorry if it sounds hollow in here. I just moved in. But today we are doing a fake unboxing and my review of the Louis Vuitton Clemence wallet. I have had this wallet for about 3 months now, and I absolutely love it. To be honest, I think it is the perfect full-size wallet. However, I was contemplating selling it. So if you are interested in knowing or figuring out or learning why I feel like it is a perfect wallet, but at the same time I almost thought about selling it, go ahead and stay tuned. I'm letting y'all know right now, like if we get a nip slip, we get a nip slip. Like I don't know, you know, we're trying my best here. I should have taped them up, but you know they're so small, I just feel like it's pointless to tape my little bitty titties. Y'all, let's get into the wallet. Fake unboxing and review, please. Thank you. Okay, so I even went through the trouble of putting it back in its original box and bag, okay? Don't say I don't do nothing for y'all. So I did go ahead and purchase this wallet in December of last year, okay? Y'all, in case you don't know, the only other like form to carry like my cards or money or whatever that I had was my YSL card holder, and I love it, right? I absolutely love my YSL card holder. Oh God, I dropped the bag. However, it doesn't fit a lot. So, you know, I needed something a little bigger for bigger times. And I decided to get this. Now, what made me get the Clemence over the Zippy is the fact that this one is thinner and it's smaller than the Zippy. The Zippy is just too damn big, okay? It's too big. I thought this one was a better size and a better price. It was $200 cheaper than the Zippy as well. And I like $200 cheaper if I do say so myself. So, came in this little box. Of course, it was wrapped up like lovely and all that other good jazz. But like I said, this is a fake unboxing because I have been having the wallet for a while now. Now, I believe I paid $545 for this wallet, roughly, I think. But here is the wallet. Now, I went ahead and got it in the monogram canvas, okay? Y'all, and I absolutely love the wallet. I got it with the berry, I want to say is the color that's on the little tag and in the inside. Yeah, so this is, I'm not gonna lie to you, when I went in the store and I looked at the wallet, I looked at the Zippy and it was the brown and the ballerina in the inside. No, not a fan of the ballerina. I looked in and saw this like fuchsia, magenta, like dark berry color, and I was like, yes. I was like, yes, that is gorgeous. That is lovely. Like, I loved everything about it. I originally was going to get it in the Damier Ebene print to go with my Alma B, because I'm an old matchy ass bitch, but I decided not, because of this like beautiful color in here, right? So it has 2 card slots here, 2 here, and then there is a slip pocket in the back. Lord, I got information back there. I told you I've been using a wallet, so that's why I feel like I can kind of give y'all a review of it too. It's been a couple months, right? Then there's the zip in the middle here, okay, where you can put some coins in, put your coins in there. And then we have 2 more card slots, and look, I got stuff in there too. I thought I cleaned it out for y'all. Clearly I didn't clean it thoroughly or well enough, but that is the entire wallet. I do not know the dimensions, but maybe I'll go ahead and put them on the screen, or of course I will link it down below, and I'm sure the website will have the appropriate dimensions. Now, we're not gonna make this video long. We're gonna make it quick. We're gonna make it sweet, okay? Why I think this is the perfect wallet. 1, it fits 8 cards, cash, checks and coins. I feel like you can't go wrong with that. I am a fan of zip wallets over like flap clasp wallets. I don't know why. Probably because when a clasp wallet is empty, girl, it's too hard to clasp. Like a purse, like a flat purse. When your flat purse is empty, if you gotta snap it, it's too goddamn hard to snap. Okay? So I like my little zip. The zip is pretty smooth. Sometimes, you know, it can get a little stiff. But the zip is good enough for me. Y'all saw all that zipping I just did, okay? And the zip is still zipping. It is $200 cheaper than the Zippy, and it's smaller, right? Which I love. Now, on the flip side, I told y'all that I thought about selling it. Literally, I changed my mind today and decided that I'm not going to sell it. And the reason I'm not going to sell it, or the reason that I thought I was going to sell it rather, was because even though this is smaller than the Zippy, I'm not going to lie, this wallet is big as hell. Okay? Like, I feel like it covers my head. The wallet is big, and I am a fan of small bags, right? Fan of small bags. This can fit in my Speedy just fine. It fits in my Alma a little tight. And I had to take out my organizer in order for the goddamn wallet to fit in there, okay? This wallet is for medium to large bags. This is not, I repeat, this is not a wallet for small bags. Now, the reason that I said it was okay and I'm just gonna keep it is because I do still have my YSL card holder. I was gonna sell it, right? I was gonna sell my YSL card holder, and I was like, I have this wallet, that's just what it's gonna be. Nay. We're keeping the YSL card holder because that's just what is better to fit in the smaller bags. That's just what it is, and there's nothing that we can do about that, okay? That's just, so the reason I was gonna sell it is because it is a big wallet, even though it is smaller than the Zippy, and because it's a big wallet, it does not fit in many of my purses, but good for me, I only got 3 goddamn bags, and it fits in 2 of them. So, we in the money. We're in the money. But I really do think this is a perfect wallet. This is a perfect, like, luxury, like, dip your toe situation, even though it's not cheap. Like I said, I paid, like, about $545 for this, so it's not cheap. However, if you are trying to dip your toe into luxury fashion and you don't know what to buy, SLGs, Louis Vuitton, they are good for them. I have realized that I am shying away from Louis Vuitton a little, and I will talk about that in a upcoming video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell if you would like to know why I personally will no longer be buying any Louis Vuitton bags or products for that matter. But I am indeed keeping this, okay? So yeah, that's it. It's worth it. I do feel like it's absolutely worth it. I've only had it for 3 months, and as far as I'm concerned, there really is no wear and tear. The wallet looks brand new. Y'all saw the inside, y'all see the outside. The wallet literally looks brand spanking new. So do with that what you will. All right, but I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Comment down below, do you have the Clemence? Are you thinking about getting the Clemence? Do you have the Zippy? Do you wish you would have got the Clemence over the Zippy? Do you like the Zippy over the Clemence? Comment down below, let me know what you think. Tell me if you would like me to compare the Clemence versus my card holder and which one I feel like is more practical for everyday use. I will do that. Actually, I like that idea. We're gonna go with that, yeah. Video coming up soon. But I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram at Angelle's Life, and over on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok at One Angelle's Life. I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.